Hello friends, welcome back. Man, has it been a while, huh? Okay, I am still slowly working on cleaning up the space, but now that I have my desk somewhat clean, it's still not perfect, but it'll work for me. I have been dying to get back into resin, so the goal for now is to slowly work on cleaning and organizing, but also incorporating the resin into it. I have, a good organization system for my resin and everything, so I want to dive back in. And thank you guys for, being here. So, the first order of business, I really want to try these, amphibian, I guess, molds that Dark Frog sent me. And so today, I definitely want to try the chameleon here. But I think for Thursday, I'm going to try the frog. And I want to try something a little bit different for both. So I've also pulled out the intense chameleon powders from Let's Resin that were sent to me. And I want to try that with the chameleon today. I think that would look really, well, I mean, obviously, it only makes sense, right? So I definitely want to try that today. And then for the frog on Tuesday, yes, Tuesday, I want to do something a little different. So today, we're just going to work on the chameleon. Let me get this unwrapped and try not to kill your ears. Let's do it over here. So tell me, how have you guys been? You guys been good? I hope so. Okay. Just going to pull out all 4 of these molds. That way we have them right here. And if I have any extra resin, we'll have to do... Which one is the actual... I guess this side is the mold. Okay. You can see how I'm confused though, right? Like both could be technically the mold. Huh. Okay. Anyway, that's not why we're here. If I have any extra resin, I already have some molds to put it in. So, here's the chameleon. Let's see what colors I want to use. I think obviously I want to go for a purple and a green maybe. But, let's see, that's a dark green, but in the bottle it looks purple. That's so funny. I think even on camera it looks like a dark purple. Wow, okay. And then we've got Galaxy. That's pretty. What's this one? Dark magenta. Okay. They're all purple looking to me. That's so funny. Deep blue. Again, looks very purple. And then the last one is very green. So, maybe we'll use, should we use the Galaxy and the fairy green? Yeah, I think those are the 2 colors I want to go for. So we'll put these 3 back in here. And let's see, I think for the body I want to go green, and then for the tail I want to do the Galaxy. I think that's kind of the colors that I want to do. I don't have any little eyes to go in here. I know a lot of resin crafters use like tiny little plastic eyes for in there. But yeah, I've already got my resin warming up, so I'm going to go ahead and get this painted on, and we will go from there. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. This is just a simple black snail. These are not going to come out complete. These, y'all, I sat here for frickin' ages trying to get the bubbles out of those little things. But they're so small that it's not possible. So I think if I ever make this one again, I will probably use a, one of those little suction thingies. What are they called? You know what I'm talking about. Those little plastic, these thingies. Whatever this thing is called. To try and get it in there, but I am very much aware that there will probably be no eyes or antennas on this thing. Yeah. The eyes came out. The antennas, not so much. Like, they're still stuck in there. So, yeah. Okay. And it doesn't even want to come out. Good grief. Okay, anyway, I'll have to get that out eventually. But that's what it looks like. It's very cute. I wonder if I could just add like little pearls to the top, you know. But yeah, other than the antenna or the eyes antenna, I don't know, whatever part it is of the snail. Other than that, it turned out great. So there's your bonus unmolding. All right, y'all. I'm so excited to finally be back into resin. You have no idea. Okay, let's see how this turned out. I'm sure it turned out great. It's not like I did anything, you know, revolutionary. Okay, that came out nice and easy. Oh, cool. Wow. Got a little bit extra resin that comes right off because it's so thin. Yeah. Wow, look at those chameleon powders though. Holy cannoli. Woo, buddy. I see why they're intense chameleon powders now. Yeah, this is so cute. Although I will say, the tail being a completely different color makes it look like it's got a worm coming out of its butt. It's early. What can I say? Man, that's pretty. All right. Well, that's today's video. Super simple one to get back into the resin game. I will have a new video for you Tuesday. I'm so excited for that one because I'm using the frog mold for that one. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this little guy. What should I name him? I'm thinking Fred. Should I name him Fred? I don't know. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up. If you're happy I'm back, hit the thumbs up. I'm happy I'm back. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. And yeah, thank you guys so very much for watching. And I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.